We are Pakistan, pot 69. Commercial farmers can afford to buy agricultural machines such as tractors, threshers, combine harvesters to speed up the work on the farm. They protect their crops from pests and diseases with chemical sprays. When crops are harvested, extra labor is hired. For example, cotton is picked by women who work for low pay and do the job patiently. For the large scale commercial farming, big warehouses are needed to store the produce before it goes to the market in Pakistan. Because of the distribution system, crops must pass through several hands: the wholesale commission agents, the retailers, before it reaches the consumer. Each one takes a share of the profit. This increases the price and limits the profit to the growers, which badly affects the quality of farm inputs. Unlike subsistence farming, where mainly food crops are grown, a variety of crops are grown in commercial farms, for example, cotton, rice, sugarcane, tobacco, oilseeds, etc. Commercial farmers select their crops on the basis of demand, price, and favorable government policies. For example, the government may fix the support price of wheat or cotton. Growers of these crops are given certain incentives by the government, as wheat is the staple diet. Cotton is an important export crop, being our major foreign exchange earner. Agricultural products in Pakistan. A variety of crops is cultivated in Pakistan. There are two cropping seasons: the crops that are sown at the beginning of the winter season, October November, and harvested in early summer, April May, are known as Rabi crops. They include wheat, barley, grams, oilseeds, and pulses. The crops that are sown in summer, April, May, June, and harvested in early winter, October, November, are known as Kharif crops. The Rabi crops and the Kharif crops. They are rice, sugarcane, millets, maize, and cotton. The relative importance in terms of the area and the production of the major crop is likely to improve. What production to hit new record this year in Pakistan? Pakistan may harvest over 28.75 million tons of wheat this year, 2 million tons more than previous high recorded in 2016 and 17. If the harvest gives the output that is expected, then Pakistan may not require further imports, at least in considerable quantities. Wheat is the most important and the most extensively grown crop in Pakistan. The acreage of wheat varies from place to place depending on the type of soil, availability of water, and climatic conditions. Main crops are wheat. Let's talk about wheat. Wheat is a staple food used in the manufacture of bread, roti, and a variety of baked products. Low grades of wheat and byproducts of flour milling are used as feed for livestock. The canal irrigated areas of Punjab and Sindh meet most of the requirements of wheat. The temperature is favorable from October to May. The soil is rich in alluvium and the land is flat or undulating. However, the waterlogging areas of the Indus Plain are not suitable for the cultivation of wheat. In some parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and the Peshawar Plateau, where winter rainfall is sufficient and the dissected landscape makes irrigation difficult, which is grown to the Barani rain fed land, wheat is grown in very few areas of Balochistan and on a limited scale. Infertile soil, rugged topography, and limited water supply do not support its cultivation.